To fix login error in Papa John's application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, however you prefer. And by doing so, if you're connected to a strong network, you shouldn't be having any problems regarding your login about internet. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the login, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the Papa John's application. Click on Show All and here you'll see the official Papa John's application. Tap on the application and click on Offload App and click on Offload App again. Reinstall the application by clicking on Reinstall App, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its data and documents. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.